I've now sorted out the graphical part of the display for the TinyDVM. So it's currently showing constant voltage of 1.834. So I'll put the numerical version down in the bottom right hand side, and then the text, the graphical part, is just shown in the rest of the display. So there we are, increasing voltage there, going up, getting up to the maximum of 3.3 right at the top of the display. As it goes along, it erases the previous display and puts in the new one, and then as it comes down, again erasing the old display, coming along. I've got it such that it doesn't actually display through the text, so if you've got a low voltage or any voltage below about 1.2, then it won't actually show in the text part of the display, but that's okay. So here we go, so we can go up and down. Ooh. So you've got your standard quantization problem with this type of display. There's nothing you can do about that. I've got it set for 100 milliseconds delay, so it's not going to show anything particularly high frequency, but it will show gradually or slowly changing voltages over time in both a graphical and a numerical way. So quite easy really, I was quite impressed.